Today is a day of great historical and religious significance for families who honor their deceased loved ones. The day's activities typically include clearing reeds, sweeping, and mopping around the graves, as well as performing rituals. The day also provides an opportunity for families to engage in conversations with their deceased loved ones. For many families, this is a ritual that is observed several times a year.
Size emathuneni wabosisi bethu abantwana bakamama abosisi bami sizoklina amathuna since well like lento explain from the Bible ane angisho since well bekwi Easter uJesu wavuka ngelanga lobi3 on Monday bahamba abantu besifazane ne bahamba bayombheka emathuneni kwathola usekavukile akasekho kwabafile sekakulaba kwabaphika
emphakathini
bayobatshela
indaba zokuthi uvukile asimtholanga ethuneni asimazi ukuthi uyephi.
Ifamily yakamngomezulu eBarcelona so ngize lana kubomama bethu nabo babethu sizoklina amathuna sifundisa nabantwana bethu ukuthi bazi ukuthi abantu abalele abalahlwanga bangabantu abaphila ngokomoya kumele bazi ukuthi nabo bele nathi masesilele beze la bazosiklinela indala zethu bazi ukuthi ugogo wami olele la umkhulu wami olele lana kube yonke into nje ibe right for labantu abakhula manje.
Ala namuhla libaluleke kakhulu ngokuthi kuvuka inkosi uJesu owasifela lihle kakhulu ene ngicela ukuthi intsha ningayilali nilandele abazali benu. Ngicela ukuthi manje emathuneni babe emathuneni nibohamba nabo nikwazi ukuthi kusasa nabazali benu nabalele noma ihlobo nikhona ukuthi niye nocenta ningathi mhlazane mabashonile niyabalahla. Cha ngicela ukuthi ningabalahli nokunithi amadimoni ayise amadimoni ngoba niyamngcwaba bese niyamlahla la sasa manifike endlini nilolwela le impahla zedimoni naleyo ndlu le demoni. Bantwana bami ngiyacela ukuthi qhubekani nje nikwazi ukuthi abazali benu nihambeni niyobahlola nikline njenganamuhla nje kuyaphithizela. Yebo.
Langa namhlanje lisho ukuthi sikhumbule bonke labantu bethu abalele lana hayi ukuthi ngoba bashiye lana sisikhohliwe ngabo asikhohlwanga basese khona empilweni zethu. Elanga ngisibakhumbula ngalo namhlanje ukuthi kubaleka kwabo ngoba siyazi ukuthi uJesu wasifela waphinde wavuka nabo fana nokuthi sebavukile nabo bayile basifela bavuka nje uJesu. Yiba abantu esikhala kubo inhlanhla zethu zikubo.
They believe it is essential to involve their children in this practice to ensure its continuation across generations.
Yeah, to my culture kuvumelekile abantwana bazi masibabone whatever into esiyenzayo ezisingabantu abadala so that mase sidlula thina they must know ukuthi ugogo wagcina la we must continue this thing because into eyayenzeka kwasemandulo ukuthi ithi makunga lesi sikhathi kufuze ukuthi siye emathuneni uyokubakhombisa uthando ukuthi
nebabantu bengasekho yes
ngokwasenyameni but spiritually we sinabo